Hey guys, Sonic Sprint 19 here, and I just want to say, yeah, it's been a while since I had posted a video. That's because my mom wouldn't let me go over my grandma's house just to freaking tell me that I've been there like a lot of times. So what? It's just how I can get my videos uploaded. Anyway, let's just get this over with, because I'm already working on a new gacha club video. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Anyway, let's get this over with. So, real hair 2021. Back hair 5672. Head AC 178. Head AC 21 1200 and 129 head AC. That's where it is. Oh, I get it now. So it's face AC 98. Face AC 190 98. 89, I meant. Nose 21. Glasses. Alright, nothing personal. Is anyway, 13 137 26. Alright. The smirk, okay. I'm good. Anyway, scarf 54. Jacket 6. Who give a crap? Belt 84. Pants 1. Socks. Just choose any one of them. I don't care. It's not that personal. Sleeves 16. Drop 30 165 for the opening. Oh, God, the camera is messed up, freaking messed up. Okay, gloves 3 and time. Eyebrows 54. Ugh. Never mind. 443. I just changed it. I think that's it. Okay, for the color, I tried my best to make her, but it was hard, so please don't hate. Anyway, just copy it. Copy it. Copy it. Copy it. No. Oh, yeah, that's it. Copy 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 it. Oh yeah, I forgot hat 9 because I just realized. So that, yeah, just copy it. You see this little small thing on her head? Camera focus. You see that? That's the hat. So, yeah, it's small. It's just right there. Anyway, you're done.